to Crusade. This is a quick video tour of this new approved used Leon in our stock. This is the Seat Leon 5-door 1.4 TSI. It's an FR technology and it has under 4,000 miles on the clock. It's a petrol manual vehicle and comes in the colour Mystery Blue, one of our metallic colours. This vehicle does come with front assist and the full LED headlights. We've also got the exclusive front and rear FR bumpers. We've got the 18-inch performance alloy wheels on this vehicle and the LED strip indicator located on the side mirror. The rear windows are tinted with privacy glass. And that is the back of the vehicle with the twin exhaust pipe and the FR badge again there. In the back we've got a nice large boot space with access to removing the parcel shelf if that was desired. In the back we've got 3 seats all in black cloth interior with panels details on the outer seat and the red bespoke trim. A nice amount of legroom and also electric window switches on both doors. So that's the dashboard display, and we've also got the full electric window switch access in the front as well. Got the driver's flat base sport FR steering wheel in black leather with the red bespoke trim, and again the front seats are the same material, black cloth seats with details on the panels with the red trim, and we've also got part leather inserts as well. We've got the touchscreen display with access to full link radio, navigation, traffic vehicle features and a few other different options. It's very simple to use, just tap the one you want to view if you're using the touchscreen. We've got the aircon, and also in the bottom display we've got the auxiliary and USB cable inputs as well. We've got the LED detailing on the doors with the blue strip lights just there, and electric window switches on the passenger side as well. Nice space mount inside the vehicle, lots of room, and is quite sporty inside. If you're interested in this vehicle, please feel free to pop over to Crusade and speak with them of our used car sales team, or give us a call on 01270 864 430. Thanks for watching.